Ishmael, and today I will be doing a tutorial on how to add products to your Shopify store. This video will be a part of a series on how to run your Shopify. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, comment down below, and hit the notification whatever button or bell or whatever, and like. All right, show some support, and onto the video. So now in the dashboard, click another product, add another product, and then in the add product section, you could add a description. Here, I'm just using it as a copy and paste section for myself for a temporary use. And then I add a title, as you can see here. And then I scroll down to pricing and I type out the price for this product. And then I go to media. And then I click add file. And I search for the picture that I will use for my product. And I select. And there's my image. Then I go down to quantity. So this is where I put the amount of items I have in stock. And then I go down to country of origin. So this is where the store or where I will be shipping or where you will be shipping from. So United States. And then we go down to variants, and the first option would be size. So we put in small, enter, medium, enter, and large, enter. So every size you input, you click enter. And then it will show up in the bottom. So we write down how much quantities we have for each product or each size. And as you can see, now that data is finished, we have to go and try and categorize this product. So we'll go up to organization and product type. So this is a jumpsuit. And then we go to vendor. So we add the vendors and the collection. Then we go into tag. So we tag all the areas that this product will be placed in. And then that's about it. So that was the final part, and we click add or save at the top corner. And that's it. So I'm just going to show you how it looks by clicking preview. Voila, it's done. So hey guys, thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful on how to add products to your Shopify store. Please subscribe and thank you.